Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to sign out of your Steam account on your computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to log out of your Steam account on your computer guys, first you must be logged into your Steam account, as I've already logged into the Steam software on my computer. And now to log out from over here or sign out of your Steam account, you can do it from two ways. Either at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is a username over there, or the Steam account button or the Steam button available at the top left corner of the screen. You can click on either of these buttons and there is the sign up of account option available, where when you click on your username, and there is also the sign out button available for us if you click on the Steam button over here just below the change account. Now in order to log out of your account you can click on either of these buttons, and after you click on it this kind of confirmation will appear, and if you click on confirm you will be signed out of your Steam account instantly. And guys, this is how you log out of your Steam account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.